everyone, my name is Andrea Buckham-Jack and I'm one of the top brokers here in Southern California, and I'm honored to be your guest speaker on our first webinar on January 25th, 4 p.m. Pacific Time, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. The first seminar, we will be discussing the Success Wealth Formula and how we're going to be enlightening and educating the community on the importance we're going to be making in families' life when it comes to understanding options that are available to them and bringing awareness. Because the only way for us to take control of our life is if we're aware of the options that are available to us. I'm very excited to see each and every one of you on this webinar. Have a blessed day.